So today I am going to be doing a clown makeup look for you. And if you'd like to see just a short version of this, I'm going to be posting on TikTok. My name is Maddie Hopkins and it's in the link in the bio. So if you want to follow that, then go ahead. I post a lot of things about campers and rats and art. I post more on TikTok than I do on YouTube, obviously. I am trying. I've been thinking about maybe doing Twitch live streaming. But yeah, so let's get started. So I put my nice little things in so I wouldn't have anything in my face. And I bought this at, you can't see I bought this from Spirit Halloween. Honestly, I should be buying from like the NYX white powder or white liquid stuff, but because I'm broke and it was only $3, I'm just gonna try to use this, and if it looks good, then cool, then you can use this for your clown makeup. But alright, I'm gonna just put this all over my face. Ew, it smells gross. Okay. You get what you paid for. I'm gonna break out like crazy. I really am. Okay, honestly, you can't really tell in the camera, but it's so fucking patchy. It is so patchy. I guess this is what I get for using cheap makeup. But we're just gonna continue to layer this. I don't know if using my finger would make it better. No, actually, I don't think it would. Well, let's just edit the fuck out of the pictures that I am taking. Also, my camera's about to die even though I've been charging it for the last hour, so I don't know what that's all fucking about. Alright, when I finished doing all this, I'll let you guys, you guys can see. What? Oh. Here it is! What am I doing next? Let's get out the Morphe. Okay, so I did a little doodle in my phone of how I wanted this to look. And it's literally, I'll show you right here. Don't ignore my art skills. Thank you. Okay, so I literally cannot move my face. This is what Botox feels like, I bet. Alright, what brush do I not want to ruin? This one is fine. So, let's do with the little cheekies first. Okay, so what we learned from these videos is that I'm shit at makeup. Look at these. Maybe it has to do with like the quality of makeup I'm using. I mean, the Morphe palette is a good quality makeup, you know, whatever, but it's not adhering to my white skin. So just, yeah, just please just stay with me here. It's not going to be good in the end, but it's going to be something. Okay, so next step in this video, I'm gonna just make sure you can't see any skin, and lashes, and my lips. Gang gang. Okay, so I'm either gonna do blue, or I think I'm gonna do blue underneath here. Let's see if I can even do it, because obviously, because of this white color, nothing is sticking to my face properly. Dee-dee-dee. It's blue. Alright, now I'm going to do these lines. It's kind of wonky, but you can't tell, right? Okay, so pretty much what I did on the lips was I put the lines, and they're kind of wonky, and then I did a purple lipstick, and it's dusty. Okay, it's not gonna work. It's dusty mauve, and it looks like this. It's pretty. And then I used black liner and blended it out. So I think this is good. I mean, if you look like in person, if my camera didn't make me look prettier, you would know that it actually looks like garbage, but because the camera makes my face look smooth, you can't tell. My face burns a little bit, but it's going away. Maybe because my face is numb, or maybe my face became an entire scab underneath this white makeup, and I cannot feel it anymore. Okay. Oh, actually, I forgot another part I wanted to do. I wanted to do teardrops. Should I do teardrops? Let's see. Let me fix some pieces. Now I'm going to attempt to do some teardrops. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I wanted to just do outlines of teardrops, but I think it's going to be filled in teardrops. Alright, so here is the finished look. I added some teardrops and I think it looks pretty good from far away. But if you look really close, if I can get it to focus, you can see it's a little weird. So from far away, come on, I look very cute. And I posted some photos on TikTok and posted some photos on Instagram, posted some videos on TikTok, so if you want to go look at those, that'd be great. And wait, why are you wet? I wonder if it's like condensation on the window. Anyways, if you'd like some more of these videos of me trying to do makeup looks and either failing or succeeding, please subscribe and comment what makeup look you'd like me to do, or what any video you'd like me to do. There's so many things that I want to do already, but if you guys have any more ideas, let me know. And I will see you later. Bye from me and my ghost, my Beanie Baby ghost. What is his name? Spooky. How ironic. Bye. I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder. Stop! I'm afraid of is when I wipe all this makeup off, because it burned so bad earlier and now it doesn't, that my face is going to be entire red, gross, seepy, liquidy scab. Stay tuned. If that happens, I will post it. Bye. I got this guy yesterday, and as everybody else has been obsessed with, oh, he got a stain on him already. What happened? So, like everybody else, I've been obsessed with these things. I wanted the Halloween kind, but this was the only one I could find. I also got a couple other ones, little keychain ones yesterday. But I liked him because he's pink and he's black and white, and he was also the only one there, and that's the only reason why I went to the store was to get one of these, so. Yeah, so this is my new, I'm collecting these now. So I'm going to collect some Squishmallows, and I also am going to collect Beanie Babies. I have a lot of them. There's more, I can't grab them all. But yeah, so this is my new collector's item. Beanie Babies and Squishmallows, so I'm just so quirky, I know. Can't help it.